Hello and welcome to India Today So South. I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
And this is Maruti Acharya, and today we are here after watching the morning show of movie Bhima. Yeah, starring Dunia Vijay. Get to the review.
Starring and direction is also by Dunya Vijay. This is a story, direction, and action and acting. The main role,
Yeah.
all of it is Dunya Vijay
Second
or
movie, no? Second
Vijay
directorial.
Kumar, second directorial. Vijay Kumar, as he likes to be called now. We just finished watching the trailer, so we are here with our fresh review and thoughts of the film as soon as we walked out of the theater. So, first reactions. What did you think?
I I think this could in one line if I have to say, some people might like it, but there is a lot of potential for this movie to be a very great movie.
Yeah.
Why am I saying that is because okay, I'll get to the positives, my three positives. One is world building definitely, because unless and until you it's a very different world, the boys of slum areas, or the way they behave. It felt very authentic, raw, a very like the camera is thrown into their lives and we are just experiencing it. And there was no sugarcoating in it, to cater or something. They try to keep it as real as possible. So I really like the world building. The music was really, really good, especially the background musics. Like the climax background music piece was ultimate. It was really, really good. The performances, overall, it was good. Negatives, my biggest negative is they tried to tell too many things but got lost somewhere. Like, in the sense that they started so many things but they never ended it.
Yep. So for me, the biggest attraction of this film was the closeness to reality that it is. Of course, with Salaga also, all of us, Kannada cine lovers, we've seen what Vijay goes for and what he tries to show through his films. And here as well, he is bringing another story of how, especially the youth in the cities, are getting addicted to drugs. And he has come up with a message which is the prime focus of this film. And how this whole drug addiction affects the people of the young, lower strata, people who aren't very, who aren't
Underprivileged.
yeah, the underprivileged strata, the people who don't have everything and can't really understand the difference between what is recreational and what is addiction, and would, if they find out it is an addiction, wouldn't really have any proper guidance or somebody to go to or afford proper medication.
Yeah,
That is
and
what
not
I'd
just
say.
that, how their situation, like how they people who are in power use drugs to abuse their situation, and get them to do things for them, and they end up in this infinite loop.
Yeah.
That whole world building was really good.
That's what. So the world they built here, although there are a lot of characters,
Yeah.
like a lot of characters that they tried to shed light on, instead of just introduce them for the sake of the story, they tried to shed that extra light and give them that focus, even if it's only for a few minutes, and build a character there as well. It could be good, but in my opinion, for this film, it felt like the focus was being shared a little too much, and the
Correct.
focus wasn't placed on the right element as much as I'd like it to be.
Correct.
Right, on the kids of that
Correct.
place, how they were, getting riled up and
Correct.
almost revolting against the ones
Yeah.
they loved the most. Or Bhima with his message, or where he got this message from. All these things would have been a little more like a cherry on top for me.
Yeah, and that's equally important because a goon understanding that he's in the wrong path, redemption arcs, all of this are done and dusted. We have seen all of that. So again, we'll see if it is well executed. But the point is, the unique thing about this movie is the underprivileged kids, how they get into addiction, how their lifestyle is, what all they get addicted to. It was a very beautiful thing. So we were expecting more of that because it's new and there was potential. It was very evident that director Vijay Kumar had a lot of idea about how this whole thing works. So we were expecting more of that, which was slightly missing. That is the reason why the movie also feels a little lagged, because we want something else but the movie is telling something else. And there are so many arcs. The police is trying to achieve another arc, the brother character is trying to achieve another arc. So there is so much happening.
Yeah, it seemed like the story had a kind of, series narrative. This is the narrative that typically all the web series have. But they tried to make it in a film, and not all the characters got an ending or something like that, because we had the corporator of the locality there. He had a lot of character
Correct.
in the film, but that didn't really turn into something
Yeah.
materialistic. Nothing really happened with it, and all of that was there. But while that is said, it is actually nice to see that in Kannada films especially, because most films that are commercially packaged with big stars like Vijay or anybody else, it is usually just the big star in the film, and lot of characterization doesn't go anywhere else.
Yeah.
Even to the heroine it doesn't reach.
Correct.
So here it feels like Vijay as a director is actually trying to bring in more characters, build stories. For that effort, it definitely deserves a lot of respect.
Yeah, not just that effort, action effort. Tell about
Actually,
that.
yeah, that is my biggest thing.
That's what I'm waiting.
I am like, for anybody, I will not spoil it, but the climax fight scene is something to wait for. Right from the BGM and to the pre-climatic lead to the climax fight, everything sits right. That is where the actual pace picks up of the film. Okay, this is where it is going, and for all the action lovers who love Vijay for his action, because that is where he started, you will get a treat in the climax. And for all the fight lovers like me, I have never been so satisfied with a fight. This was amazing to see. Even in this fight, you can actually pick glimpses of reality. Although yes, there are some elements of commerciality in it. It is still as close to reality as it gets in a mass film, and I enjoyed every bit of it in the climax. So that is my biggest highlight as I walk out of this film.
Yes, so overall, in one line, if I have to say, it is lengthy but not boring. Little disappointing because there is more scope for improvement. That's it for this review. I hope, these are our these things. I hope you like it. If you like it, like, share, subscribe, share. All Dunya Vijay fans, what did you feel about this movie? Honest. Please mention that in the comments below. We are putting public reaction also. The link will be below. Please check that out as well. With that, this is Maruti Acharya.
And I am Sanjay Ponnappa, and you are watching India Today, So South.